Well, I think I just set a record for the coldest night I've ever slept in a tent. The goal today is to hike Zion's less visited east side of the park. That is, if I can get myself out of this sleeping bag. Thanks for traveling with us. Sure do hope you enjoy the video.
The splendor of Zion National Park is often best seen at some of the park vistas, overlooks, viewpoints. In my humble opinion, among the top three are Angel's Landing, Observation Point, and Canyon Overlook. I just uploaded an entire video devoted to Angel's Landing. So in this video, we'll show you around the other two and provide the information you'll need to experience them. Let's get started. It's the middle of October 2021, and I'm here with a few friends. Welcome to Zion National Park. So right now we are traveling east through Zion National Park. Check out this beautiful footage, and in a moment I'll tell you what we're about to do today. So in my many visits here to Zion National Park, it's kind of a shame that I've never been to Observation Point. According to many people, that is the most beautiful view that you'll see at this most beautiful park. So today we're going to make our way up to Observation Point, but it's a little tricky because there was a rock slide back in 2019 which closed off the National Park Service trail. So we're coming up the back way, we're going to drive up, and then we're going to hike in about 3.5 miles, and you should see, according to many people, as I said, one of the most beautiful views of Zion National Park. All right, Josh, left right here, North Fork Road. There you go. Nice job.
An observation point.
So it looks like you're going to stay on this road until it goes to the unpaved surface. And that's where we're going to stop. And I think there's a little parking lot right there. Okay. So the paved road ends, and then you're getting on a dirt road, actually in Zion Ponderosa Campground. All right, guys, you all set for this trail?
Ready to go.
Yeah, absolutely.
First time at Zion. Let's do this.
Oh, by the way, it's Zion. Zion.
Zion.
But I'll get comments down below if you mispronounce the name.
From what I've seen of Zion so far, this is going to be amazing. So, yeah.
You're a quick learner, Josh. Good job. Andrew, what do you think? You're a veteran of Zion.
Observation Point, it's supposed to be the most beautiful spot, so we'll see if it lives up to all the claims.
I don't think you guys will be disappointed. Let's do it.
Let's go.
So we are blessed with an absolutely gorgeous day for hiking today. Trail, I believe, is 3.5 miles in, same back. And let's see, we got 60 degrees weather, ideal hiking conditions, light cloud cover. And for a trail that's not really advertised, I'm actually kind of surprised at how many people know about this. Still, very few people on the trail.
Wash me in the water, cleanse me in the mercy of your love. I need a heavenly touch.
We're about a mile in right now, and for the most part we've been hiking through a forest. It's still beautiful, but relatively speaking, compared to Zion, not very impressive. But every once in a while the trail opens up and you see some incredible views of the Red Rock formations. Check out this one.
'Cause I'll be backsliding. I need a little guiding for my soul. Only heaven knows. 'Cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand.
So we are now reaching the end of the trail at this point. More of a significant decline, and also some more impressive views to my left.
'Cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand.
So probably our best view that we've seen so far along this trail. What do you think, guys?
That. It's stunning. Speechless,
That looks higher than Angel's Landing.
Is it straight down, Josh?
Come take a look.
You can see water all the way down
Almost.
the bottom. Yeah, it's straight down. I mean, the rock bulges
John,
out
you
a
want
little
to stand
bit.
behind this?
If you fell, you would bounce a little bit off the rock
That's good to know.
before you hit the river down below.
So we've exited the forest, and as we reach the observation point, you can see in the video from now on, we're definitely walking through more of a desert environment. More spectacular views off in the distance. Bottom of our feet is sand. Here we are at the top of the observation point. We finished lunch. We're going to head back. Let me give you a couple quick observations. Number one thing that is really cool about this hike is you're looking down on Angel's Landing. So we've done that video in the past. We're going to go back and do Angel's Landing again on this trip. So definitely check that out. But that's at 1,500 feet and you're looking down on that. So an incredible aerial perspective of that. Elevation right here from sea level is 6,500 plus feet. About 3.5 miles or so to get up to the top. It's a relatively easy hike, 400 to 600 feet or so at the most elevation change. And the other thing I want to say too is when you talk about people on this alternative trail up to observation point, they really kind of downplay it. It's really not a bad hike. It's a rather attractive hike. The view, you can't beat that, but it's more than just coming out and seeing the view. The hike itself is also more impressive than people give credit. So just when you thought this video is done, we got some bonus footage for you, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Canyon Overlook Trail, and we are told this is one of the best places in Zion National Park to catch a sunset. So we're not going to make a video about this whole trail, but we do want to show you a nice sunset here at Zion. But let me make one quick point. If you choose to get here, we arrived 1 hour early, and it is a zoo down there in regards to parking. I still don't think that thing's ventilated enough, Josh. Every minute I take an extra step back, you know, subconsciously. I'm waiting for that thing to explode on you guys. All right, we had a great lunch today, so we're going a little cheaper on the dinner tonight. What do you got, Andrew?
Super meal.
Oh, you're not playing around, are you?
Beef flavor.
What do you got? Who's that guy?
Yeah, well, Tapatio, he likes it. He likes it hot.
Hot and spicy, baby.
Yeah, the guy with the sombrero.
It's microwavable macaroni and cheese, but I'm gonna try to put some hot water in here and do it the non-conventional way. John, what are you doing for dinner tonight?
I'm going to do a little tuna on crackers. And,
which is, I think, what you had for lunch.
It was good, though. I'm gonna go back to that well.
All right, sounds
and then
good.
I'll probably do maybe a half of a peanut butter and banana sandwich.
A Bryce sandwich?
Not quite a Bryce. A Bryce minus the raisins, probably.
So you've got your multi-grain bread, creamy or crunchy peanut butter. Then you do a layer of a banana cut up into small pieces. On top of that, drizzle of honey. And
It looked like a little bit more than a drizzle. It looked like a couple gallops, maybe.
dollops of honey. All preference. And then raisins. Raisins are what make a Bryce sandwich a Bryce sandwich.
And I think a lot of people that are probably watching this are very familiar, because they're national park lovers, with the Bryce sandwich. But what they don't realize is you actually invented the Bryce sandwich.
Yeah, it was about 2 years ago.
In the parking lot at Bryce.
We didn't have much to work with.
Yeah. All right, looks like we're ready to go, man.
Wow, that's some boiling water.
Let's dig into our fine dinners tonight.
The jet is going.
John, you want some warm water in that tuna just so you can feel like you're part of the group?
Nah, I think it's got enough mayo in there.
You got enough smoke coming your way?
Yeah.
Good shot. I mean, like, man, oh man.
I can't keep moving. It keeps following me.
All right, Josh, got some more water boiling right now for you, brother.
Excellent. I mean, it's gonna be tough to beat the sandwich we had for lunch today, but
Oh, that was delicious.
yeah, it was so good.
I would have had enough if Andrew didn't buy the family size meal there that feeds 5 people. Look at that bowl. It used up all my water.
It is called the super meal. Emphasis on soup.
So you're heating up a gallon of water now, right?
Absolutely. You're going to need it. How you doing, Andrew?
This is good.
Good?
Very good.
All right. What is a guy like 6'3" using a spoon that size for? Look at that thing, man. It's like a toddler.
It's just he's got big hands.
Yeah.
You got the giant crap
easy
that
there,
you're putting
small
on as
hand
well.
Smith, all right? Tiny hand Smith.
Hey, I could have been in the NFL playing tight end if it weren't for these hands, all right?
You need a
Just
spoon?
so
You need a spoon, tiny hands?
disproportionate to my body.
This tuna, though, is excellent. The mixture they got here.
Oh, good. Boy, you're going to be stumped after
A little
eating that.
relish, yeah.
I've seen
I got a whole
cat food cans bigger than
a whole
that.
2.9 ounces of tuna here.
Wow.
The cat is eating better than you tonight.
Man, don't overdo it, you know?
That's pretty delicious. It's good stuff there.
What do we
All right,
got?
We're going with the cup of noodle stir fry. And I didn't put a lot of water in here because I don't want to get out of the tent and have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. I'm going to be drinking with all the salt they put in this thing. Probably a gallon of water instead. And then, I got my my macaroni and cheese.
Whoa.
And this didn't actually turn out as I had hoped, but this will work. This will work. Hey, Josh, hold on a second, man. With that spicy Mexican food, don't stand too close to the fire, man. I don't want to see you guys all go up in flames. All right, back to my food.
Than going up Angel's Land.
Careful, man. That's some hot stuff you got there, brother. So let's give the macaroni and cheese a more crunchy.
They call
And
that al dente.
It's soupy and it's very crunchy, but you know what? I'm camping out. This stuff just really hits the spot. It's delicious. Not really. So from the top of Observation Point, we're going to wrap out. What am I talking about? To the plane flying. We're going to wrap up this video right now. Thanks for traveling with us. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. And remember, from all of us here at America's Parks, there's always room for you on every national park adventure. Thanks so much for watching.